Hello! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. If you want to change the time format on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Haylou Phone application on our phone that is paired with our watch. In the application we can tap on Me to open the profile page. And here we can select the Haylou RS4 from the list of devices. Now, scroll down, find the option called Device Settings, tap on it, and here we have this option called 24 hours. To change the time format, simply you can disable or enable this option. If you disable 24-hour option, the time format will change to the 12 hours. And if you enable it, it will change to the 24 hours. So, enable or disable the option, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.